I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the canvas. Cleanse, moisturize, and prime so paint grips and lasts. Once done, swatch colors on your wrist to confirm vibrancy and mix behavior. Next, organize tools, palette, brushes, sponge, water, so you don't interrupt flow. Now apply a thin base with a damp sponge, working from the center outward. This evens skin tone and creates a foundation. Make sure layers stay thin to avoid cracking, and allow the base to set briefly before adding details. You now focus on structure. Lay thin washes to map shapes, then increase opacity with denser strokes where needed. Once a wash is down, wait roughly 10 to 20 seconds for surface tack before overlaying to prevent dragging. Use a rounded brush for soft shading and a fine liner for precise lines. Blend edges while paint is still wet for smooth transitions, and switch to a drier brush for texture. If a color is thick, add a tiny drop of water or activator to improve flow without diluting pigment too much. You finish by setting the paint. Lightly dust translucent powder or mist a setting spray to lock pigments in place. Then avoid heavy sweating or rubbing for about 30 minutes. For cleanup, wipe stray marks with micellar water or a damp cotton swab, and remove all paint later with an oil-based cleanser followed by a gentle face wash. If something goes wrong, like smudges or uneven opacity, dab the area, let dry, and fix with a thin corrective layer or a touch of setting spray to rework edges without lifting the base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.